Subscribe Moon Beauty Tips and also press the bell icon to get notified with our latest videos. Hello friends, welcome to your channel Moon Beauty Tips. Are pimples robbing your peace? Well, that will not happen anymore. We bring to you 3 remedies of baking soda that can help you to get rid of pimples super fast. These 3 remedies will give you an outstanding result. These recipes are very easy and simple to make at home. So let's start with this process. Before starting, please hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you will get first notification of our future videos. At first, we are starting with coconut oil and baking soda mask. In the process, we need face wash, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon coconut oil and a moisturizer. Take a small amount of facial cleanser. Add the baking soda and coconut oil. Massage your face for a couple of minutes. The coconut oil in this mist help dissolve all the excess oil in your skin, while the cleanser and baking soda work to eliminate them. This cleanser helps purify your skin and kill off bacteria, helping you fight pimples. Wash off the cleansing mixture with cool water. At last, pat dry your skin with a tissue paper. Finish with applying a moisturizer. Use once or twice a week in regular manner. By doing this, you will get really phenomenal result. In the next process, we are using lemon juice and baking soda mask. Mix the baking soda with some water and add lemon juice to get a smooth paste. Lemon juice helps control the oil production in your skin and shrinking your pores. It also helps kill off bacteria and reduce redness. Apply the paste in a thin layer on your face in this way. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Then rinse off with cool water. Now pat dry your skin with a tissue paper. At last, apply moisturizer over the area as usual. Do this 2 to 3 times in a week. This process will also remove your pimple very fast. Now we are showing third and the last process. Here I am taking honey, baking soda and warm wash cloth. Mix baking soda with the honey to get a smooth paste. Apply the paste on all of the affected area. Place a warm wash cloth on your face and wet it about 5 minutes. Once the cloth has cooled, use it to whip off the treatment and rinse your face with cool water. At last, pat dry your skin with a tissue paper. Finish by applying moisturizer. Repeat once or twice a week for a month or until you achieve the desired result. By following 3 amazing natural remedies, you will be really amazed with the result. You will be able to remove all your pimples very fast at home. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. To get more beauty tips, subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. For today, I am signing off. We'll meet you soon in another video. Bye bye.